Assalamu alaikum. Eid is around the corner and I would love to show you how to make these lovely crafts for Eid. Our first craft is this confetti card. You will need page 2 from our printable kit, page 3 printed on any dark cardstock, some tape, glue, any shiny confetti, scissors, and PVC sheets. If you don't have a PVC sheet, you can use a clear transparent bag. We will place the PVC sheet over page 2 and trace over the green and the purple box. Next, you will cut the rectangle that you have drawn from the 2 squares. Next, wipe off any marker residues and fold the PVC sheet in half. Take some tape and add it to the edge of the PVC sheet, both the left and the right sides. We'll use the top to fill the confetti. Fill your PVC bag or your clear bag with the shiny confetti. Seal your bag. If you're using a clear bag, then just use this sheet as a guideline on where to stick so you get the perfect fit. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Next, cut out these little images from page 2. And cut around the rectangle on page 3. Fold it in half, snip it, and cut around the circle. Add some glue on your bag with the confetti and stick it to your card. I like to use tape just so it holds better. Now, take this starry Eid Mubarak sheet, add some glue on it, and stick it on the card. It's almost coming to place, and next stick your moon and stick the mosque. There you go, your confetti card is ready. You can color in the windows with a yellow marker just to give it that perfect silhouette illusion. Our next craft is an Eid popper. It's super easy and super simple to make. You will need page 1 from our Eid printable kit, some confetti, toilet roll, scissors, balloon, glue stick, and some tape. We'll first begin by cutting page 1. Next, we will cut the bottom part of the balloon and cover one edge of the toilet roll. Once you're done with this, tie a knot and tape it to fasten it perfectly. Next, add some glue on the cutout and stick it over the toilet roll. Add your confetti inside. Make sure you fill a lot of confetti and dig it in and pull. There you go. I found that a longer pull yields in a better spill. And your Eid confetti popper is ready. Now finally, I will be showing you how to make a mosque globe. You will need the mosque from page 2, some mason jars, glitter, confetti, anything shiny, a glue gun, glycerin, and laminating sheet. If you don't have a laminating sheet, you can use tape to laminate it and some water. Cut around the mosque. Add your mosque to a laminating sheet and laminate. Now, if you don't have a laminating sheet, you can use a tape to seal the mosque off. All we want to do is just to make our mosque waterproof for the snow globe. Make sure you leave some extra space at the bottom of your laminating sheet or tape so you can stick it on the snow globe. Now this is the fun part. Add some glue to the mosque and stick it to the lid. Next, fill your mason jars with water. Add about 2 tablespoons of glycerin. Add some glitter. And finally add all your shiny bits of confetti. Close the lid and your snow globe is ready. If you try this craft out, please share your pictures with me and tag Partizako. Eid Mubarak and happy crafting!